Assume we want to plant a forest in the shape of our logo. We import the geography in our unique Forest Designer software and select a Romanian hardwood forest profile. GEYC recently discovered patterns embedded by nature in all forests. We mathematically solve the blueprint for a complex tree family network and simulate their growth over the next decades. We then generate navigation and planting files for each tree species and upload them to our robotic tree planter, an advanced 3D printed carbon fiber drone. It carries 3D printed, biodegradable, aerodynamic projectiles loaded with seedlings of various species and deploys them using a patented technique, gravity-assisted implantation.
This is Leonardo. A single drone can plant more trees than the most experienced human tree planter. They are considerably cheaper to operate and are driven by mathematical precision. By mass-producing Leonardo, and by scaling up our tree capsule manufacturing, we aim to plant millions of trees and restore our ecosystem to its true potential.